Imagine you've been investing in Stash for a while. You've watched your portfolio grow steadily, and now you're wondering, can I actually take this money out? Today, we're diving into the world of Stash withdrawals. We'll cover everything from fees to limitations, so you can confidently decide whether it's time to cash out. Understanding Stash withdrawals. Let's start with the basics. Stash is primarily an investment app designed to help you grow your wealth over time. While you can withdraw money, it's important to understand that this isn't as straightforward as withdrawing cash from a regular bank account. Key factors to consider. Holding period. Stash often has a holding period for certain investments. This means you might need to hold onto an asset for a specific amount of time before you can sell it. Fees. There might be fees associated with withdrawing money from Stash, such as transaction fees or early withdrawal penalties. These fees can vary depending on the type of investment and your account type. Minimum withdrawal amounts. Stash may have minimum withdrawal amounts. This means you can't withdraw just a few dollars. You'll need to withdraw a certain amount to cover the fees and other costs. How to withdraw money from Stash. Now that we understand the key factors, let's talk about the process. Here's a step-by-step guide. Log into your Stash account, open the Stash app on your smartphone or visit the Stash website. Navigate to your portfolio, find the investment you want to withdraw from. Select Sell or Withdraw. This option should be available when you tap on the investment. Specify the amount, enter the amount you want to withdraw. Confirm the withdrawal, review the details, and confirm your decision. Tax implications. It's important to note that withdrawing money from Stash can have tax implications. Any gains you make on your investments are generally subject to capital gains tax. It's a good idea to consult with a tax professional to understand your specific tax situation. When should you withdraw money? The decision of when to withdraw money from Stash is personal. Here are some factors to consider. Financial goals. Are you withdrawing money to cover a specific expense, such as a down payment on a house or a college tuition payment? Market conditions. If the market is performing poorly, you might want to consider withdrawing your money to avoid further losses. Your risk tolerance. If you're uncomfortable with the level of risk in your portfolio, withdrawing money might be a good option. Alternatives to withdrawal. If you're not ready to withdraw money from Stash, there are other options to consider. Rebalancing. You can rebalance your portfolio to adjust your asset allocation and reduce your risk. Dollar cost averaging. You can continue to invest regularly to smooth out the impact of market fluctuations. Diversification. You can diversify your portfolio to reduce your exposure to any single asset or sector. So, can you withdraw money from Stash? The answer is yes, but it's important to understand the factors involved and carefully consider your options. By following the steps outlined in this video and understanding the tax implications, you can make informed decisions about your investments. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.